TinyTask versus AutoHotkey versus Power Automate. Which automation tool suits your workflow? So automation tools help you save time by eliminating repetitive tasks, whether you're looking to record mouse movements, write custom scripts, or automate business workflows. There's a tool out there for you. These three all approach automation a little bit differently, and here's how they compare. Now let's start with TinyTask. So this is a lightweight automation utility that records your mouse and keyboard actions, then plays them back exactly as recorded. It's great for simple repetitive tasks like clicking buttons or filling out forms, and is ideal for users who want press, record and go automation without scripting. Pros: extremely lightweight and portable, no coding required, easy to use and free, perfect for basic repetition tasks. Setbacks: no conditional logic or advanced control, can't edit scripts after recording, and only available in Windows. Next we got is AutoHotkey. So this is a powerful scripting language for Windows that let you automate nearly anything from hotkeys and text expansions to advanced GUI control. It's highly customizable and ideal for power users who want control over every aspect of automation. Now, pros: powerful scripting language with tons of flexibility, active community and documentation, can control application files, windows and input, free and open source. Cons: steep learning curve for non-coders, not as user-friendly as GUI-based tools, and there is a limited cross-platform support. Now, last is Power Automate, which is formerly Microsoft Flow. So this is a cloud-based automation tool from Microsoft designed for business workflows. It connects hundreds of apps and services, enabling anything and everything from sending emails when files are updated to automating approval processes. Pros: seamless integration with Microsoft 365 and many third-party services. Drag and drop, no code workflow builder. Supports desktop automation, great for automating business and enterprise products. Setbacks: requires a Microsoft account and often a subscription. Overkill for simple tasks and can be slow or buggy with complex flows. Final verdict: so use TinyTask if you want a dead simple way to repeat basic mouse keyboard actions, no coding needed. Or choose AutoHotkey if you want total control and are comfortable writing scripts to automate anything on Windows. Or go with Power Automate if you need business grade automation with app integration, especially within Microsoft 365.